welcome to my video. So I'm going to show you my neighborhood. Also, please like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 10 subscribers. So please like and subscribe. So we're going over here. All these things. Trees. Lots of trees, actually. And we're going all the way over here. And look at all these things, Lots of stuff. A lot of houses though. But look at all that stuff. Cars, everything, nature. Look. And some random people here. Yeah. And this is gonna be like a 3-minute video or 4. I don't know. And we're going over here. Look at that red line. It just goes across and stuff. Like, look at all that stuff. Like, wow. Trees and everything still. Benches. 4 benches actually. And a welcome sign. No dogs. Nothing or none of that stuff. It's just peaceful over here, It's just very peaceful. I wonder why it's so peaceful. And look at that, there's a baseball thing over there. Even all the way over there. Well, video, see ya!